20 Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So, as y'all could see, we about to do oil change on the big turbo 535. There you go, right there. I know some of y'all may be wondering why this shit right here got a hole in it, but I got the piece to put right there. Same thing like this side right here over here. And also I'm gonna rewrap it. I'm gonna rewrap that part. So first and foremost, before y'all reach any further into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the oil change, man. Alright guys, so right now I'm under the car and this is the oil drain bolt I'm gonna pull. So it's gonna be 17 millimeter drain pan bolt, and also I'm using 10W40 for my oil. So that's what I'm using. That's what I've been using from I bought this car. I've been using 10W40, just a little thicker oil because I'm running the turbo setup, so you need something to like coat the pistons and all of that. So I'm gonna pull this real quick and then I'm gonna drain the oil and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. Alright, so I have the oil draining right now. Also, I make sure I do oil change like every 2 months. Y'all could do it whenever y'all want, but as y'all can see it, it's not that dirty. It's just getting dark, so it's like dark brown but not black. Alright, so I'm finished with the oil change. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap back this part and we're gonna put back the parts that go right here. Okay guys, so here's the piece I was talking about. This piece, it's the same piece as over there. Y'all could see the crash bar and everything. And also, this is not painted under the wrap. It was a brand new front bumper and I just wrap over it. So this is the real color of the car, dark gray. So we're gonna probably put some glue on it to like let it stick, like right here, let it stick, and then we just gonna wrap over it. Guess what guys, as I was doing a quick check on the wastegate lines and all of that, because last night I was doing a data log, but first, before I reroute the lines and all of that, I was making like 13 psi, right? So last night I went and tried to do a log again, and I ended up making 9 psi, and come to find out this shit was leaking. That's a big ass leak in the vacuum line. So I ended up just rerouting everything again. So now I'm gonna set these lines up real quick. I'm gonna move this clamp off the wastegate and put it all the way over here so it won't catch anything. So that's the move for right now, or I probably put it like right here so it wouldn't touch any of the lines or burn it or anything like that. And this shit right here, I'm just letting this shit dry before I rewrap it. I think it's probably dry right now, but I'm gonna do this shit first and then come back to this and then wrap this. Alright, so there y'all go. It's wrapped. I put a little seam right there and a little one right there on both sides, but it's wrapped, man. And also with the lines route to the turbo and all of that, make sure y'all always double check and all of that, man. But let me know it down in the comment section if y'all like the color of the turbo. Also, I need to paint the grill, the lower grill and the top one right there. I'm gonna change them into the color red. Same thing like the calipers. So that's the theme we're going with right now, because soon the wrap is gonna change. And also I have some headlights in mind, so that's gonna change too, headlight and the tail light. So let's get into the POV, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull because I know some of y'all down in the comment section, whenever I post a YouTube video, y'all wanna see this thing pull, man. So now finally, since we get it running and all of that, we could do a little pull. And also I'm gonna have to go and do a data log to send it over to the tuner. Alright guys, so there y'all go. So now I'm about to give it a wash and then vacuum it and all of that. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Y'all get some POV drive with the 360 cam. So make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.